Fix .NET Framework installation error 0x800F0906 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check Windows Update. Solution 2. Enable .NET Framework in Windows features. Click OK to apply the changes and wait for the process to complete. Restart your computer. If that didn't work. Solution 3. Use the .NET Framework Repair tool. Solution 4. Modify the group policy settings. Expand computer configuration and then administrative templates. Select System. Open the Specify settings for optional component installation and component repair group policy setting and click on Enabled. Solution 5. Perform a system restore.